If YouTube TV keeps showing Playback Area Error or says it can't determine your location, it means the app can't verify where you are. And that blocks live channels and local broadcasts. Here's the clean, simple guide to fixing it fast. Start by checking your location settings. On your phone or tablet, open Settings and make sure location is set to Allow. On a computer, click the lock icon next to the URL and enable location access for the site. Next, make sure you're using your home Wi-Fi. YouTube TV requires you to stream from your registered home area regularly. If you changed internet providers or moved your router, you may need to update your home area. Turn off any VPN, proxy, or ad blocker that hides your location. Even background VPNs can trick YouTube TV into thinking you're in another state, instantly triggering playback errors. If you're traveling, YouTube TV will still work, but it needs accurate GPS or browser location. Restart your device, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and try again. Finally, if nothing updates, sign out of YouTube TV and sign back in to refresh your location permissions. Once your location is verified, the playback area error disappears and your channels load normally again.